What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel Inspired by R&R. If you're new to the channel, my name is Richard, this is my wife Ronya, and together we make R&R. On our channel we do travel videos, unboxings and reviews, as well as show you guys ways that we save money.
That's right, and if you clicked on this video, you're actually getting a 2-for-1. We're showing you how to save money, and it's tied in with travel.
Yes.
So today's video is going to show you how to pack for a safari for both men and women. Nothing in this video is more than $20, and we're also going to leave all the links to everything that we can down below in the description box for you.
Now before you travel, we do advise our US followers to enroll in the STEP program.
Yes, and if you don't know what STEP is going to be the Smart Traveler Enrollment Program. If you go onto the website, which I'm going to leave right there for you, the website is going to show you any advisories that you may need to be aware of, and it'll help you be able to contact your US embassy that's in that specific location.
Okay, now that that part's out of the way, let's move into step 1, packing cubes. Packing cubes are a lifesaver and decrease the space inside your luggage.
Step number 2, duffel bags. We flew on Qatar Airways with these bad boys, and they met all of the guidelines for carry-on luggage.
Which brings us to step 3, a luggage scale or something to weigh your luggage. If your luggage is overweight, this will cause you to have to check it in. And as you know, checked luggage is not cheap or free. If you follow these tips, you will be able to carry your luggage on for free.
Step 4 is packing. You want to keep it simple and have a 3-part system. The first part being just your clothes inside of the packing cubes. The second part being your toiletries and beauty supplies. And then the third part being your first aid medical supplies.
Since this is packing for both men and women, I'm going to show the fellas how I packed my bag first. And then Ronya will show the ladies how she packed hers. Fellas, keep it simple. Underwear, socks, and undershirts always go in first. Put them in the bottom of the bag, that way if something happens and your luggage happens to open up and your clothes fall out, your undergarments will land on top of your clothes away from the dirty ground. Next comes the PJs. An old pair of flannel pants or sweats will suffice, as well as a t-shirt. It can get cool in the evenings, especially if you are camping outside, so I highly recommend long pants. Even if it is not cool outside, pants will protect your legs from any bug bites. Now we can get into the actual clothes that you will be wearing on the safari. Do not wear black. All of your clothes should be neutral colored and resemble that of the outdoors. So this will be your tans, your khakis, your greens, and your browns. We had a 2-day safari, so I packed 2 solid outfits. 1 shirt, 1 pant for both days. These Eddie Bauer pants I got at Costco for only $19. It is good to have a pair of pants like these because they are moisture wicking, good for sweat and light rain. These second pair of pants are joggers. I purchased these at Walmart for $12 or $14. I can't quite remember. The jacket was $17 at Walmart, and you don't have to buy new shoes since you'll be sitting most of the time. But these shoes we got on Aliexpress because they matched the clothes and were only $20. Grab your hat and some glasses and you're good to go. This hat was purchased on Amazon, as well as the glasses or shades. Pack you an extra shirt for each day you will be on the safari, in case something gets spilled on your original shirt or if you sweat it out. Then you pack your toiletries. Mine were pretty simple. I packed some flushable wipes. Hey, you never know when you need these until you need these, especially if you're camping outside. Then I also packed my toothbrush and toothpaste. This Jason toothpaste is a really good fluoride-free brand that comes in a travel size. I got this on Amazon. My soap, lotion, beard and hair products all came next. Little advice. Those travel size bottles you get from the hotel come in handy for trips like this. Now I'll let Ronya show the ladies how she packed.
Just like Richard said, when you're packing, you want to pack your undergarments first, as well as your pajamas. For my pajamas, I honestly just used a tank top and some yoga pants. I packed my 2 outfits. Both outfits were pants from Walmart, as well as tank tops and bodysuits. Bodysuits I actually purchased from a store called Rainbow, and they were like $3 or $4 each. And the tank top I purchased from Walmart, and that was $4 or $5. And the pants, they were both $12 each, so they were super cheap. Again, don't want to purchase anything that's going to be black colored, you want to use your neutral colors, so your greens, your tans. You know, even if you have like a peach here or a kind of off-white, that's okay, but white tends to get dirty, so I tried to stay away from white. Then I packed this hat, and I packed me a pair of old sandals. You can use flip-flops as well. We're gonna move over to my toiletry bag. My makeup, I kept it with 4 things. I just have a stick foundation that I got from ColourPop. Stick foundations are great because you don't have to worry about a glass bottle breaking. I packed some lip gloss, and I packed some eyeliner. That was it. My toothbrush and my toothpaste. And ladies, it's always good to have a backup plan for good old Aunt Flo. So I packed my Diva cup as well as my tampons and pads, whatever you prefer. And just bring you some paper bags to bring just in case she does come, so you can have something to discard them in. These mosquito wipes were really great. They were only $3 at Walmart. And we also got these insect repellent bracelets from Aliexpress. They were only 20 cents each, and we did not receive one single bug bite. So that's a really good way to save money and protect yourself from the little buggies. Then I have the medicine, anything from Tylenol to Midol to Benadryl to some cough drops, as well as like some Visine for your eyes, because your eyes can get a little dry out there in that heat all day on the safari. And I don't know if it's just me, but whenever I travel, I tend to get a little constipated. So I tend to pack laxatives with me, but if you are the opposite of me, you might want to pack like some Pepto-Bismol or something like that. That would help ease any stomach pains. And I also have itch relief cream, and you might want to pack like some Neosporin and some Band-Aids if you want to get fancy.
All right, so besides the duffel bags, we also carried these personal carry-on bags, and inside them we had camera itself, but this bag is empty because we're actually filming with the camera now. These binoculars that came in handy, a flashlight, some pens for us to sign any customs documents going or coming from.
We both had one of these personal item bags, and inside of mine I carried this RFID credit card protector. We kept our money, and I also carried our passports, our boarding passes, and extra pens to sign documents.
Okay guys, we hope this video was able to help someone who is thinking about going on a safari or actually getting ready to go on a safari.
Yes, and we want you to also make sure to watch our other videos as far as our Africa trip.
Yes,
we have our safari video posted, and all of our travels in Africa. We left some good tips in those videos as well. So thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time guys.
Peace.
Peace.